Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to Bluestream Capital. So, this is our weekly option series where we'll be covering both Nifty and Bank Nifty indices. So, till week 3, I had given strategies for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and the week 3 was very disastrous because there was very violent moves in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty V3 strategy gave us a loss of approximately 50,000, and Bank Nifty strategy gave us a loss of 70,000. So both combined we lost more than 1 lakhs, and so I have updated our profit and loss counter accordingly. I had made a strategy for week 4 in Bank Nifty, but because of some reason I couldn't upload it. So here it is. As you can see, it was created on 14th, and I had taken 4 strangles there, and the strategy was profitable, and it gave us a profit of 23,687. So I have updated that as well in our profit and loss counter. So you can see from our profit and loss counter, after 4 weeks in Bank Nifty we have a profit of 21,000, and in Nifty we have a loss of 14,000. So let's then jump ahead and get back to this week's strategy. So this was a break-even graph of strategy of for week 4. So this will be our strategy Bank Nifty for week 5. So we'll start our calls again. This will be strangle, and one more important thing. If I'll also discuss some of the adjustments that can be done here if the position starts going against us. In this, we have taken strangles on the call side. We started from 41,500, 41,500, 41,600, 41,700, 41,800, and 41,900. And on the put side, we have started from 38,400 and 38,300, 38,200, 38,100. So as you can see, it was created today. Our break even for this strategy, yeah. So this will be our break even graph. As you can see, we started from 41,500, and the net premium received for this strategy is 23,000, and approximately 12 and a half lakhs is the capital deployed. So our break evens are between 38,147 and 41,753. These are very far apart, but since this is the expiry week for October, I think it will reach. It will not reach the upper side, but we'll try to we can see some of a bit of consolidation later on later Wednesday and Thursday. So be on the lookout for that. So this is our profit and loss chart. So now let's quickly jump to our Nifty strategy. So for Nifty, again we have made 4 strangles. For Nifty, we'll start from 18,600, 18,700, 18,750, and 18,800. And for and on the put side, we'll start from 17,700, 17,650, 17,600, and 17,550. And this is our break-even graph. So the total capital required for this strategy is approximately 8,60,000, and the max credit that we are going to receive is 18,000. So again, we have deployed strangles for both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So I'll also try to give a adjustment strategy if the situation turns ugly because it can turn real ugly real quick. So let's see that our Nifty spot is at 18,178 currently, and our nearest call strike is at 18,600. So what if the spot starts moving towards 18,600? So as soon as the spot touches 18,600, what you should do is you should close all the puts, okay, and create one straddle. That is, you already have a 18,600 call. Add a 18,600 put to that. That is, that whole combination will make one straddle. The remaining puts you can gradually keep increasing them towards the spot, and if it reaches 18,700, again create one more straddle at 18,700. If it crosses 18,700 and moves at 18,750, again make one more straddle there, and if it touches 18,800, the last put should be added to that to make another straddle. So we begin with 4 strangles, and if the underlying starts moving towards either the call side or the put side, we progressively start converting each position into straddles. Okay, so we started with 4 strangles and we'll end up with 4 straddles. So this will be much more profitable than trying to adjust for anything else, because weekly options have very limited time, and the time aspect is very crucial in adjusting. So since we don't have that much of a time, going for straddles is the easiest and the safest as of weekly options are concerned. Okay, so let's quickly look at our profit and loss. Yeah, since I didn't give any strategy for Nifty last week, we don't have any profit or loss there. Our Nifty strategy is still a negative, and our Bank Nifty strategy is at a profit of 21,000. So if you have any doubts, any queries, you can reach to us. You can email to us at capitalbluestream.com. Capitalbluestream@gmail.com. You can reach out to us at Twitter at BlueStreamCap. So if you have any queries, please feel free to write any doubts or any queries in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.